How you doing, guys? This is Ralph Marucci here to discuss Fusion versus Voltaren Pain Relief Gel. The main differences that we'll discuss are power, pleasure, and price. First and foremost, I should say that Voltaren is the #1 prescribed pain relief gel on the market today. I don't know why, because you get less for more versus Fusion, which you'll get more for less. And we'll discuss that in a moment. First, power. Inside of both gels, you'll find the #1 ingredient is diclofenac. Diclofenac is an NSAID and is found in both Voltaren and Fusion, but in Voltaren we're talking 1% and in Fusion 3%. So without even knowing much about drugs or anything having to know about diclofenac itself, you'll know that 3 versus 1 is more powerful, more strength included. Beyond that, we also add an antispasmodic, an anti-inflammatory, a muscle relaxant, NMDA receptor antagonist, and a local anesthetic for pain. Secondly, I'd like to discuss pleasure. What I mean by that is that your patients will now finally be able to feel the effects of this drug through our DMSO driver and Lidoderm cosmetic grade base. These two great ingredients will actually bring the medication from the top level of the skin through the aqueous level down to the hypodermis to actually treat the source of the pain, as opposed to Voltaren, which will pretty much just rest on this top layer of the skin and more or less numb it and take away some inflammation, of course. And finally, I'd like to get to price. As I mentioned in the beginning, we discussed how we were getting more potency, essentially, for less money versus less potency for more money. And that's really the case here. We're talking about $40 a month for Voltaren. I'm sorry, $40 a month for Fusion, and that's for about 240 grams, versus $125 roughly a month for Voltaren, and possibly less the amount of gel if it gets approved at all. So I think you'll find that you're getting a lot more value, certainly, with Fusion, and you're getting what you're actually paying for, which is more power, more pleasure, and a better price for your dollar. Thank you very much.